Good day everybody, today in front of me I have Nubia Red Magic 5S smartphone, and in this video we will show how you can download and install the Fortnite game on this device. As we all know, unfortunately the Fortnite game is not present at the Play Store in any instance, so in order to get it, you gotta open up any search engine that you'd like. In my case I'll use Google. Here at the search bar type in Fortnite APK. At the search results, look for the official Epic Games website that looks just like this. Go for it. Here at the page that we have just went to, tap on this black Get It on the Epic Games app button. Allow the file to get downloaded. Open it. And then prior of installing the Epic Games launcher, we will be required to allow the Google Chrome to install apps from unknown sources. So all we gotta do in order to, well, execute it, just turn on the switch and get back. Now we'll tap on install, open the Epic Games launcher once it got successfully installed. Here in front of a Fortnite game logo and well, name, just go ahead and tap on this get button, then install. Wait for the Fortnite launcher to be downloaded and installed as well. And as it was previously, it will not take a lot of time, so we'll just wait. Now we gotta allow the Epic Games launcher to install apps from unknown sources as well, the way we did it with the Google Chrome, so just turn on the switch and get back. Click on install. And now we are able to open up the Fortnite game itself. And next, basically, as you can see, the Fortnite game has been successfully launched, and all that it's left to do is to wait for the game to download all its resources and updates, and after that you will be able to play it. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!